No matter where I go, it'll always be etched into the back of my mind, stenciled in behind whatever future I have left to find. Maybe we were never meant to last. All we can do is share some piece of ourselves and hope that it's remembered. Hope that we meant something to someone.
Lights will guide you home.
That you only hear the music when your heart begins to break. Now we are the kids from yesterday. Just remember you were always born as one. We knew it happened eventually.